Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing how to create your YouTube thumbnail. So most of you are actually watching this video because I recommended it to you in our previous video, which is on YouTube tips. So that was actually how to get views on YouTube, and I recommend those of you who haven't yet watched that to actually go to the playlist and watch that. So without wasting time, let me show you how to create your YouTube thumbnail. First of all, the thumbnails are there to actually encourage viewers to click on our videos. So when a viewer search for a term and he views a video from the search result, so now it is on his psychological mind to choose the one he will like, and actually the thumbnails always attract viewers clicking on your video. So I actually recommend all of you to add real good thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So let's open our browser. Now search for snappa.com. That's what we're going to be using. Alright. Here is my dashboard, and you can see I've actually created an account already. So when you search for the snappa.com, you will need to create your account before you access this dashboard. So the link of the website will be given in the description, so check out the description. And here we have several post types, of which you have YouTube post, Facebook post, Facebook link, Instagram post, Instagram story, LinkedIn post, Pinterest pin, and Twitter post with YouTube thumbnail. So actually we're looking for the YouTube thumbnail option, so that's where we're going to click. And now we can create from scratch, as you see here, or you use the featured thumbnails. Here are the featured thumbnails you can use. They are free and no copyright. So you can actually create from scratch, which is my best option. I love creating from scratch. Or you choose any of these templates that Snappa offers to create your thumbnail. Okay, so let me click on the create from scratch. Okay, so before starting, it's always good to start with your background. Just watch how I create from scratch. Let me look for an upload. Alright, this is what I uploaded. So you can, if you need background, you can always come to Google and search for free background images. Alright, here are some background images you could use for creating your thumbnails. You can go to the image tab, and here are some pretty cool background you can use in your videos. So I already got mine and I uploaded it. To upload an image, you just click here and you upload. Okay, so let me click on this. Alright, what I actually like this Snappa is, especially for YouTube, is they offer embedded YouTube icons. So let's go to the graphics and you search for YouTube. Search. Alright, yeah, there are many icons you can use in this thumbnail. Okay, let me select one. I think I'll take this. Yeah, I'll take this. And now you can resize it. Just with this photoshopping, but it's more easier than photoshopping. Alright, we've resized it and seen it. Another one. Okay, I'll take this and put it below. Now we need to add something like the text indicating the video type. Obviously it's what is going to indicate what your viewers will be seeing. So we could add the heading text. Change the color here if you wish to blue, to red, deep blue, any other color, yellow, anyone you love. So I'll be taking the red, right, because YouTube is red. Okay, edit this text. Okay, then write create how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Alright, get this, need to place, and you can change your font type. You see several font types, scroll, several of them. So you just choose the one of your choice on it here. Okay, which should I take? I can take this. Okay, alright. And now you can manipulate with the text here with the letter spacing. See, it says space between the letters increasing. Okay, bring them back. I think I'll leave it here, and then the line heading. Alright. That's how you manipulate with the text. And you want to manipulate with the background too. Just click on the background, select it, and you can easily manipulate with it. Alright, there are several icons you can usually add. Not only YouTube, there are several many which you can scroll and see. They are really good, especially for doing your YouTube thumbnails. If you want to talk on tech videos, some like this you can use. Equally, there are photos which you could equally use in your videos. Alright, let's add this photo. Okay, you can size it and place it anywhere you want. Yeah, where it's actually that weird in the video. So I'm going to remove it. Alright, I think this is going to go. So you can save the project, and I actually recommend you to save anytime you finish. Before you click on the download and choose the resolution, the best I always choose is the PNG high resolution. That's really good resolution. Alright, you can title your image, you can give it the name when saving. Let's say YouTube thumbnail thumbnail. Okay, save. And now you can view a picture thumbnail. Okay, this is our thumbnail we just created. You can compare it with your project here, and it's actually good. So guys, this is how you create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Don't forget, these thumbnails are very important for each viewer that is going to view your video, because it attracts the viewers to view your video. It is actually good to add your thumbnails each of your video, and I recommend you doing that for every video. If you haven't been adding, so I would suggest you to add that as from now. Okay guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos.